I'm dying. Can't find her someone to.
Hey yo, what is good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. So today we're gonna be trying to lace up a pair of Yeezy 500s. There's a lot of colorways releasing, a couple colorways released already. Those utility black colorway ones, super fire. Pissed I couldn't get them, but I was in the middle of a lot of shit, so I couldn't even really think about that. But that's besides the point. If you guys do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and subscribe down below, smash the like button while you're down there, and check out any other videos after you check out this one if you are interested. With all that out the way, let's get straight into this video. So right here we got the pair of Yeezy 500 blushes. We're gonna be lacing these up. These are super clean in my opinion. Really slept on sneaker by some people, but for those who like it, they know what's up. These shits are super clean. The utility black colorway are super fire. Those are clean as well. These come like this almost, but with like a factory knot on it. I'm gonna just take the shoestrings all the way out, and then we'll move over there and I'll show you guys the rest. So without any further ado, let's get straight into this video. Alright, so now we back and we about to take the laces all the way out. That's what you want to do first. Take them all the way out so that you can basically get like an understanding of the shoe and where the eyelets are, you feel me? I ain't just saying shit, trust me. Alright, so boom, you got the laces stripped down to the bottom. You always want to make sure that the laces are the same length on both sides. That's crucial. That's straight crucial, trust me. Alright, so boom, right here we're at like an equal level. So that's gooch. All you want to do now is basically start putting the laces in right through the eyelet. What you first want to do is put it through the little hole, the little flap right here. Put it through there. Alright, so what you first want to do is pass it through the little hole on the actual sneaker. So like right here, pass it through that hole. You want to make sure the lace is straight as well. So straighten it, pass it through the hole, bang, make sure it's straight. This is the normal procedure. Then pass it through the pod right here. The reason I wanted to do it with these because they're weird as fuck. Pass it through the pod, and what you want to do is pass it through the outside of the sneaker going this way towards you. Well, towards me in this instance. Bang, pass that shit through there. Do the same shit all the way up. It's pretty easy, I'll show y'all. Boom, you did it right there. Do the same shit on the other side, straighten it, pass it through the little 8 pad, whatever. Boom, crossover, boom, bang. You missed me. Right there, make sure the shit is straight. Pass it through the outside going in, so boop. Right there. At this point, we're almost at the top. We got halfway through the sneaker. You want to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Make sure the first lace that you put up is the first lace that you started with, just to keep it all even, you feel me? But maybe that's just me who does that. Go ahead and put the other one in. Make sure this beach is straight, and then just pass it through the hole, like boom, right there. Pass it through the hole right here. Yup, right there, real slippery. Right there. Then loosen this beach up. Look, you don't need tight no more. Look, yup. Pull the string, pull it right there. Put your fingers like in between it to give it like some space, some lack they call it. Go ahead and do the same thing all throughout the shoe. Put your hand inside the shoe and act as if you were a foot. Push up just to make sure the laces are equally spread out, as you can see right there. That's kind of how I like it. Now you could go in and adjust whatever lace you don't like to make it look however you want it, you know? Tighten it up a little bit. Boom. So this is kind of how I like it. Not too loose, not too tight, because these sneakers are already loose as fuck. They're already too big, so you don't really want too much, you know? You don't want too much. Go ahead and give them a little knot. And they looking crispy, bro. You don't really need to do too much with these. I honestly like them just like that. Throw on some sweats and you chilling, bro. That's super clean. This is the way I would lace them personally. Now I'm gonna show you guys another adjustment to this same way. There's gonna be one more adjustment. I'm gonna just switch the knot on it. Bang, pull this right there. Put both of your fingers out, right? You know what I mean? Wrap this right around your fingers, right? You got it like this now. You're pulling it, it's right there. Pass it through the middle of both your fingers and then hold the tips and tighten it. That gives you like a factory lace look to it. It switches it up a little bit. This isn't exactly how I would do it, but there's just another extra little tip, another extra little bit of drip for you guys. They look super clean in my opinion. I would definitely recommend you guys to tie them like this. They look super clean this way. You cannot go wrong with it, either with this type of knot, which is the factory lace, or with the regular knot with the bow tie. Either way, they look super clean. I feel like this sneaker is super slept on, bruh. Really clean pair of shoes. You could wear these with a lot of things, especially that utility black colorway. It's like a charcoal type color. Shits are super clean. I'm gonna do a how to style video for these. Let me know down below if you would like to see that. Leave a like on the video as well if you do end up enjoying this on foot. I'm about to show you guys. Subscribe to the channel for a lot more content like this. And you already know, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out. Peep this on foot though. Don't leave the video yet. It's gonna be pretty cool. Just check it out, all right?
I could tell. I just gave him 2 for 40 million like Chappelle. Standing over coffin with a hammer and a nail. Heard you hit up so-and-so, that name don't ring a bell. Nah, sick of these niggas. Hire some help. Get rid of these niggas. I'm sick of this shit. Strikes again, whoa. Some niggas bitter with life and they hate me. They wanna put a knife in my ribs, whoa. Way this shit set up, I live like